What's up guys, welcome back with another unboxing video. Today I'm bringing out the push car of Bentley Bentayga car model from our company ZHXTOYS. I've also posted the ride-on version of Bentley Bentayga. If you haven't seen it, make sure you go check it out. I'll leave the link of that video above here. So without further ado, let's get straight to the unboxing. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more great content of our ride-on toys. Hope you guys like this unboxing video, and if you are interested in buying or importing this push car or any other products you see in our channel, you can go to our website to submit a business inquiry there. We can take care of custom design, production, and shipping. Let us help you with your importing project. So see you in my next video.